Hey guys, it's Miyoshi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a whole makeup tutorial. Right now I have literally nothing on my face, and I'm gonna do also I should be doing my eyebrows as well on camera, and that's pretty much it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyebrow. I'm probably just gonna do one eyebrow on camera and then I'm just gonna come back. But anyways, so I'm using the Morphe chocolate mousse, and it was like a whole package on Ulta that I had got with like the brow gel plus this brush. I don't think it was that much. I think it was like 20 bucks maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so you just start from the bottom of your eyebrow, of course, and I just got my eyebrows done, so I really don't need to do any concealer or anything like that, so I usually just won't. Anyways, I start from the bottom. You know, you just trace them out. You just trace them out from the bottom and then up. You can't really see any type of detail really, but and since I have like my eyebrows are pretty much there, I don't really have to do much. It's really like just outlining my eyebrow, but that's pretty much all you do. Like, you don't want to make your eyebrow looks so fake, but you just want to add on some type of, you want to make them darker or whatever the case may be. If you don't have any eyebrows, sometimes I feel like it's easier because you could just draw them on like any way you want to, especially when your eyebrows start to grow out. It's harder because they're so thick, but that's just my opinion. So after I outline it, pretty much, I just like, see this line right here? You don't want that line to be there, period. Anyway, so you just brush it out. That's all you do is brush it. You don't want it to look, I don't know how to explain it, but you get it. Just brush them out. Ignore my little edges. I got a little wig on or whatever. Anyways, so just want to put them on, and I cannot find my brow gel, so I had to use the Nyx brow gel that I have, but it came with a brow gel and I just can't find it anywhere. Like, I can't find it anywhere, but I'm gonna use this brow gel to put on top of it once I'm finished. So you just still go in, shape them up a little bit. And that's pretty much it for your eyebrows. After you brush it out, what you want to do is go in with the eyebrow gel. That's gonna help them stay. And yeah, I'll be back with when my other eyebrow is finished. Hey guys, I'm back. So what I'm doing now, after I just did my eyebrows, as you can see, I'm gonna go in with a makeup wipe to make sure that hydrating Hydra Touch. I'm gonna rub that. I'm gonna rub that on my face. This one's 45 Maybeline concealer, and then I just put this under my eye. This just soaked up some type of water. Oh, it just dripped all over me. Back to the program. So done, we're blending it out, and then that's how it looks afterward. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put on my eyelashes. So I have these eyelashes here, you know, from the beauty supply store. This is what it looked like, and this is what it looks like. So I'll be right back after I put these eyelashes on. And I put a little bit of mascara. I feel like they're gonna fall off. That's why I'm gonna put a little bit. But before I'm done with my whole makeup tutorial, of course, I'm gonna put some more mascara on as well. So now let's get into the foundation. Where you at? Okay, so this is my skin before the foundation. It matches my skin so good. So I just put a, you know, slither here and there and everywhere. Love put on foundation. So first I go in with this Real Techniques 001 brush that I've been using for a while that I really like. Is this Real Techniques? Yeah, this Real Techniques. The unicorn one, I think it was called. And then with this, I don't use my brush because this is a little area that I wouldn't want to mess up my eyebrows or anything. So I go in. That's the foundation. Look at this. This is bomb. Like, I haven't had a foundation to match me in my eyebrow, this area right here. Oh well. And then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer to put under my eye and on top of my lid. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my sponge. And wrist and under my eye. Okay, so I did say I was going to do like a full tutorial, so I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is really dark, but I only put like a little tiny bit on this side of my face and this side of my face, so I really don't do, you know, much. Sorry, I really don't do much with it. So I'm gonna go in just a little bit right here, and then just a little bit right here, because like I said, I don't do much at all. And I use this brush I got from MAC, which is like a shadow brush, to like trying to buffer it before I have to blend it out. So I'm gonna also buffer it. I have to do blend out. I usually let that sit for a little bit and then I go to my nose, because I'm just using the leftover makeup. Concealer. That's good. Then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution baking powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution baking powder and just put that under my contour a little bit. Don't want to overdo it. And then on this side. So I'm going in with this Fit Me blush. It's number 55. It's berry. It says something in like French, but I don't know what that was. I don't know if that was French or Spanish. Anyway, so I'm just gonna start here, and I'm gonna go in with my blush. Give my cheeks some type of warmth. And then going in with my highlighter. And that was a Real Technique brush. And this is It Cosmetics highlighter brush. Put this on my nose first. My upper lip. I highlight everything, I'm sorry, y'all. And then my brow. So now I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna use a makeup wipe to take off the makeup on my lips. And okay, I came back so y'all can watch me spray my face. Hold on to your edges. So I'm finally back, and this is the finished look. I did go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and then I also used this eye pencil to outline the outside of my lips as well. But I actually got that from a local beauty supply store. It's called like NYX Dark Brown. And that's pretty much it. Like, I am gonna spray my face one more time. But yeah, like I was saying, this foundation is bomb, like bomb, because it matches my face like perfectly. And I don't know, I just really like it. Like, I love this foundation. I've been using it for a month, and I wish I just knew about it sooner. I guess it came out like a few months ago, maybe. I'm not really sure. That's when I first seen it on Ulta. But again, I have the Mocha foundation, and it is bomb. Like, it's bomb. I love it. Other than that, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I didn't know what I was gonna say, but thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be coming back with many more videos. I come back in and out, like, because I don't know. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome back to my channel once again.